Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with Stripe. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Calendly. Of course, if you have problems with that, you can check that solution on our YouTube channel. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the create button, as you can see. We have the schedule events and we have the admin center. And in the top right corner, guys, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can integrate Calendly with Stripe. So basically what you firstly need to do is go on the link that I provided here. So it's calendly.com/integration/Stripe. As you can see, here we have it, Calendly plus Stripe. Simplify billing and reduce no-shows with an integrated Stripe account. Here we have two options, add integration, or the second option, which is chat with support to get some information if you already don't know them. So first of all, what we need to do is click on the add integration. And when we click on that, we just need to wait a few seconds. And here you can see save time and reduce no-shows. And we have the requirements here, which you can go and check out. And everything that you guys need to do is click on connect with Stripe, put all of your information, and that's basically guys how you can do it. It's pretty simple, just takes a few steps. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.